I'm literally going to film myself trying out an idea that I'm thinking about for a Christmas card or a tag, you know, a gift tag or something just to cheer the house up a bit. And what I'm doing is I'm working on a piece of hot press Meaden watercolor paper, and I'm just going to put some blobs of green, not making any effort to make this look like leaves at all, and just letting the colours mix on the paper. I'm not going to put on any red or any white, but I will red or green, black or white or anything like that at the moment. But what I will do is drop in a little bit of masking fluid. And if you have a something that's made of latex, or do you like my mug, by the way? This is one of our mugs. It's the Drink a Bird Away, Keep the Blues Away. You can't see it, can you? There we are. It's the Paint a Bird a Day mug. It's my favourite. So I need to find my brush that I sacrificed the other day. And I'm going to put some dots, not into the water, into the paint. Like that. And then I'm going to have to dry it. I'll just wipe off this mistake here. So I'll get my hairdryer. I'm going to put some more green on. Again, I think make it green, only perhaps darker. This is Turquoise Deep, Kuretake set. Turquoise green, turquoise blue. A little bit in the middle here, optional. Okay, and then I think we might be able to rub the masking off now, perhaps, maybe, so it's dry. This is quite a handy little tool. It's an eraser, but it works to lift off masking fluid. Doesn't matter if some of them are a bit messed up, because we're going to paint red areas there. And the idea was to keep it white so that the red will look okay. Then I thought I would, perhaps with a detail brush rather than a pen, maybe I might put in a branch like that, and then a little bird, but we'll put him in last probably. So that's the branch upon which he's going to stand. And there's a couple of other things I thought we could do, but I might do the berries first. So let's find some red. This is, I'll turn it around so I don't have to reach so far. Red. It's quite nice to have these detail brushes for things like this. And really I'm just trying it out because I want to learn how to use them. There's a different kind of water control required when you've got such small hairs. 2 hairs on a stick really. Anyway, we'll put these in, and then by the time I've got to the end of these ones, I'll come back to the first ones with a darker red. Like red purple. Don't just add some of that here and there. Just because I'm using a smaller brush doesn't mean that it can't still be loose, right? And we can have the odd berry floating around. And I'm going to then get my white pen, Artistro. I'm not banging this on the desk, by the way. There is a piece of paper under here. There we are. And we're going to put in some white berries here and there. You could make them bigger. You don't have to just pop down like that. You could make them bigger. Do it slower, like this. Okay. And then the next thing I thought I would do is to use my Tombow pen, which is somewhere around here, and put some leaf shapes in. So where we have the berries, you might want to put some holly. This is all very experimental. And if I did the video of this, I probably would do it in a slightly different way. But I just wanted to try it out. Because you never really know until you've done it what it's going to look like. And I think probably, where's my white gone? We need a bit more white here. And then perhaps I'll try some leaves this shape. And then having done those, if you don't like them, you can go back to your green and put paint. Do that to the holly as well, actually, where it's going over the edges. Could do them like this. That's probably a bit big, that brush. Let's look for a smaller one. No, I want one with a bit more of a point. How about this one? And we can go around the outside like that. And we'll just put some more green inside those, and we can kind of build it up. Lots of different colours. Makes it richer. And you don't have to worry about the balance from the very beginning. Just keep going with your darker greens. And then maybe we might want to put in a little bit more bright red, say over here. A bit more down here. 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 Okay, and then we're going to put a birdie sitting in the middle of the thing. So we'll just start with the beak. And when he's dry, we'll rub out the pencil lines. So we'll just, let's see what kind of orangey red breast we can give him. And then very simple, very, 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 very simple. We'll give him his body and his tail and his wing. And we will just scratch in with a pen, if I can find it, his legs. And then I'll give him a tiny eye when it's dry and a little bit more dark on his tail to make it perfect. So there we are. One wreath done in a loose way, not dry yet. I'll do the thumbnail, you'll see it dry. Could put another little birdie up there or something else if you wanted to, but we'll just keep that simple for now. There's practice, a little practice wreath. Hope you enjoyed that. Give us a like and subscribe and prescribe or expire, no, not expire. I'm going to have another cup of coffee. So see you again soon, everybody. Bye bye. I must learn to keep my cardigan out of the way.